Hello, this is Rachel from Start Driving School. Let's look at how to pass horse riders and the mounted police that we might see from Mather Avenue Police Station. Horse riders and horse-drawn vehicles. Be particularly careful of horse riders and horse-drawn vehicles, especially when approaching, overtaking, passing, or moving away. Always pass wide and slowly. When you see a horse on a road, you should slow down to a maximum of 10 miles per hour. You should always be looking ahead for any possible hazards you will need to deal with. In this video you can see that there are mounted police ahead. As we approach the mounted police, you can see there are also oncoming vehicles, which we need to give way to. So we need to take up a holdback position, at least a bus length away. Also just left of the center line so vehicles from behind you know that you intend to overtake. When you do overtake, make sure that you leave as much room as possible, but at least 2 meters. Drive past slowly at 10 miles per hour. Ensure you can see the horse riders in your internal mirror before moving back in front of them.